snow has started to melt and we've got to get on some of these projects that have been waiting. So the vehicles with tires now are going to become useful now that we can get around in the snow.
Our backhoe, we were over here digging a hole for a septic tank and had a problem with this tire.
This tire had a tube in it and it went flat and then came off the bead and destroyed the tube. So today we're going to start fixing this one so we can use this to help fix the other ones. And what we're going to do on this one is put a new valve stem in there and try to just set the bead without a tube and see if that works. So we're over here at our A-frame cabin we're building, and so we have power and air over here. So get that going, get this started, and see what we can do on this one.
When we're changing tires with most of our vehicles that aren't regular cars and trucks, the tires are so heavy. So having a backhoe that can help, we can chain the tires to the front and lift and lower and use it to like manipulate the tires is super, super helpful. Otherwise it becomes exhausting for us to try to push, pull, and tug the tires into the right position. So that's why fixing the backhoe tire is the most critical one today.
This hasn't been running all winter. I just hooked the battery back up, so let's see if we can get it started. It normally starts pretty well.
Sweet!
Going. Let this down. Hopefully it'll squish that bead off the tire off the bead. I think I'm gonna have to go get the tire iron and pry this off. Okay, we left the air compressor filled up with air. We got the tire irons. So we're gonna see if we can just knock this bead back here. I don't think it's really set that well. But if it is, we're gonna have to take it off of there and cause more trouble. I don't want to take it off, but I might have to. Oh no, we can't. Once we get this off, now I'm going to start the backhoe again, raise this up so it's not on the ground. I'll shut the backhoe back off. We'll work the new valve stem in there, reset the bead, and air it up. Probably won't work like that, but that's the plan. Okay, start the backhoe. Stuff to put on here. Okay, now we're going to get the air ready. Slight leak. We're gonna do the starting fluid torch method, hopefully. Set this in. So we're gonna pry this in. Get some of this in. We'll probably catch it on fire a little bit, but didn't quite go. Okay, here we go. Just caught on fire. I'm not getting the explosion going.
Oh. Oh crap.
Okay, ready?
Please work. Oh.
Oh, let's get... I'll have to burn the fire. So far we're just getting flames.
How the ground's on fire?
Where's the ground?
I don't know.
Oh jeez.
So far we haven't been able to get the bead to set using the starting pull. I'm going to raise the tire up, put this come along around it, squish the tire a little bit. I think there's too much of an air gap here so it's not really exploding. You squish the tire and push it tighter against the rim, and then when we get starting to it will trap the gas and won't explode more. Okay, we're going to do, it's pretty tight against there now. It's only this place that's really escaping is right here. So I'll push this back a little. Get some fluid in there and hopefully we can make a proper explosion. Not quite enough oomph. Let's see if we pushed it at all.
Oh, okay.
Not doing it. Let's try something else. Not working. Must be doing something wrong. Okay, I don't know.
Oh! Hey!
No.
Just sets on fire. Too warm. Been on fire all morning. So now we're going to try putting this back on.
Oh, you're there. I didn't mean to be laughing, but I was sitting on this with all of my weight, and you were still pulling me up like a Ferris wheel. Woo! Woo! We got it back on.
Now we get to explode it again.
Here, can you put that over there?
This?
Just pull these out of the dirt. I wish that meant something that we did that. Okay, let's try it, blowing it up. See what happens.
Patchy.
It doesn't seem to have affected our dogs at all. They're still happy and playful, keeping us safe from mountain lions.